We're so glad you could join us for another Cue the Confetti. Woo, 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 woo. Today's project is a fun one. We're going to paint. It's the end of the week and we're gonna do some homemade puff paint. As always, please make sure you talk to your parents before you start one of these projects and wait for them to gather up all the materials. Here is what we're going to need for materials.
We're gonna need glue,
white school glue, shaving cream,
and food coloring.
Food coloring, or you can use tempera paint to color yours. We're going to use food coloring. I just got some at the store. The first thing we're gonna do is make the puff paint. I hate cleaning up. So, this is my cheater. I'm gonna open up a Ziploc bag, put it on our drinking glasses, stick it right in there to mix up the paint. What color are you gonna do?
Blue.
And then I will do green. All right, so what you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up your glue.
Oh.
Got our cheater so we don't have to clean glue out of and paint out of a cup. So we're putting it in a Ziploc bag. But what you're gonna wanna do is open up school glue, and I'm gonna use half the bottle. I'm gonna give her the other half. And this will make quite a bit of paint.
She's gonna do a little paint, I'm gonna do a lot of paint.
I've never had glue like this that's not open. How are you supposed to open it? Does it give you instructions? I guess that's what you do. Okay, so I'm gonna, oh, there we go. I'm gonna squeeze half the glue in there. Ginger's gonna squeeze the other half.
Oh, mine just pour out. How nice.
It just kinda came on out there. You can, of course, basically the measurement is 1 part glue to 1 part shaving cream. You don't want shaving gel, it will not work. So I'm gonna put little drops of, ooh, it's gel. Before I put the shaving cream in, I'm gonna put the color.
On the box.
Okay, I'm gonna mix up the glue.
How do you open it?
A couple squirts. So I'm probably gonna need more green. Gonna mix it up with just the glue because the shaving gel will break apart if you do this like this. And we want it to stay puffy because we're gonna use it as puff paint. I'm gonna put a little bit more green in there.
Me too.
No, you haven't mixed yet.
I'm gonna close it in case.
Just do it to your coloring. Like I said, tempera paint will totally work in here. This one's be different. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's turning light blue.
There you go.
Like, I did like
Ooh, what color is that?
green.
Green.
Mine is turning into a light blue. I want a dark blue.
No, that's fine. Okay, sticking it back in. Now we're gonna add the shaving cream. When you use food coloring does not wash off, so don't put it on your clothes. Okay, shake it, 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 shake it. And you squirt. Ooh, did you see that? Oh, that was kind of cool, huh? That was just the aerosol.
This smells good.
Delicious.
I'm just.
And you're gonna mix. Mix those colors up.
Okay.
Mix them up real good.
Color.
And now you've got your own puff paint. Choo-doo-doo-doo. So this is what it should look like at the end. Still real puffy. It kind of looks like marshmallow fluff,
Yeah.
like out of the jar, because the glue kind of keeps it together, and that's the perfect consistency. If you've got more shallow cups and smaller Ziploc bags, it'll work better than what we had going for us, especially with the size paintbrush we have. So we're ready to paint. So I would recommend not doing this on printer paper or notebook paper, but getting a sturdier paper, or even what we're going to do today is actually use a paper plate. Now, I'm gonna leave this paper plate like this for Gentry, but if you wanna cut your paper plate into a shape, an animal, a basic animal, a fish or whatnot, that'd be really cute too. We're gonna leave it as just a plate, and Gentry's gonna paint while I go wash my hands.
I'm going to paint a snowman with blue and green. You know what? That's just a circle. You know what? I'm just gonna go for it.
Gentry's gone to wash her hands. We're gonna wait for these beautiful masterpieces to dry and come back and show you our finished product. We'll see you in a little bit. Ooh, this is what they look like after a few days. Still puffy. Gentry's messed with this one, picked at it. So it doesn't usually look like that. Isn't that pretty? Puff paint. How fun. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed that project. I hope yours looks puffy too. Sometimes they don't puff very well. Depends on the humidity outside, it seems. But I hope you at least enjoyed doing it with your family and learned a new technique for your paints. Ginger, did you like it? If you did this, I would love for you to tag me on Instagram and Facebook at Cue the Confetti Kalina and let me see your masterpiece. I would love to see it. Thank you so much for joining us. We hope that you like and subscribe and share this with all your friends so that they can make masterpieces too. And don't forget to celebrate today.